We're entering chapter 3 in Wiesel's Night, which means we're also entering the concentration camp experience. When you look at chapter 3, I think about it in 3 parts. This isn't every detail, but in general, consider it as their arrival, the cousin moment when Stein asks them a question about his family. This is a cousin they see in the camp. And then finally, how this is affecting this cause and effect change for Wiesel and his faith. There are a lot of other little key details in the chapter, but these are the 3 main ideas that I tend to gravitate toward as I read the chapter. Within the arrival, pay attention to how people treat and talk to Wiesel and his family. Pay attention to people who are empathetic and people who are rather mean. Pay special attention to this conversation that Stein has with his relatives, with Wiesel and his dad. And take some notes on that scene. This is at page 46. It's hard to read my notes. Maybe it's page 40. And then finally, there will be some thoughts where you'll get that illusion. Remember, I've been doing all these goofy things about Disney films in the hallway, but really what I'm trying to do is reveal allusions, references. And this is where Elie Wiesel is going to reference a biblical passage and how he feels on 42, and this is going to develop even more through the story. This also will be the chapter that introduces the title of the story, Night. This symbol, and I want you to start thinking about what night may symbolize for Wiesel and why it became the title of the memoir. See me if you need any help while you're reading today. Bye.